Hi, I'm Danielle Barbour, Director of Product Marketing Regulatory Compliance here at Kiteworks. The European Union has proposed the Network and Information Systems, or NIS2 Directive. This is an EU-wide regulatory framework for managing information and communications technology risks and cyber threats in the essential services and online marketplace sectors. The proposed regulation would require these entities to ensure the security of their information and communications technology systems and networks, and to report major incidents to the relevant authorities. It would also establish a coordinated EU-wide approach to cybersecurity and incident response. Kiteworks reduces complexity through a single platform to protect and manage content communications, providing a level of visibility and control to help these businesses demonstrate NIS2 compliance. To find out more, check out our compliance brief or request a demo. We can't wait to meet with you.